In this tutorial, we'll show you how to locate our robot in the map that we've built in the last part. Before we start our localization node, let's move our map to the designated location. By default, the map is saved under user home directory. Let's copy the map to the map folder under our slam package directory. We have to use the terminal command here because we have no monitor on the robot machine. Make sure you copy both YAML map configure file and the PGM map image file. Now let's start the ROS node. We first start all the robot infrastructures so that we don't have to do that again later in the navigation part. We start the localization launch file. The launch file is in the Omni navigation package. Through the OpenConfig GUI provided by the RVs, we navigate and open our RVs preset. To visualize the localization process, we go to the side panel of RVs and check Post Array. Now we can see all the particles generated by the MCL package. We use the 2D post estimation tool. Click on the map and set the heading so that the localization package can initialize. Because of the nature of how AMCL works, we need to use the ROS service call to ask AMCL to update the position without odometry movement. As you can see, the particles converges after multiple calls to the ROS service. The laser scanning now matches the map. This concludes the third part of the tutorial.